Which team was highlighted for World Soil Day 2025? Urban soils for resilient cities. Soil carbon restoration. Healthy soils for healthy food. Prevent soil erosion. And the right answer is. Who won the World Athlete of the Year 2025 Men? Amo Duplantis, Noah Lyles, Jacob Ingebrigtsen, Karsten Warholm. And the right answer is. Who won the World Athlete of the Year 2025 Women? Faith Kipyegon, Sydney McLaughlin-Levrone, Sha'Carri Richardson, Shericka Jackson. And the right answer is. Which sports league won Emerging Professional Sports Event of the Year at India Sports Awards 2025? Pro Kabaddi League, Archery Premier League, Ultimate Kho-Kho, Premier Badminton League. And the right answer is. Who won CNN News 18 Indian of the Year 2025 Outstanding Achievement? Neeraj Chopra, Jai Shah, Rohit Sharma, Harmanpreet Kaur. And the right answer is. Which submarine will boost India's sea-based nuclear deterrence? INS Arihant, INS Chakra, INS Aridhaman, INS Varsha. And the right answer is. Which exercise enhances military cooperation between India and Maldives? Mitra Shakti, Indra, Yudh Abhyas, Ekuvaran 2025. And the right answer is. India signed a major defense support deal with the US for which naval platform? P-8I aircraft, MH-60R helicopters, AH-64 Apache, C-17 Globemaster. And the right answer is. Which organization partnered with Reliance Jio for a mobile-based highway safety alert system? BRO, NDRF, NHAI, IRCTC. And the right answer is. Which airport became India's first water-positive airport? Bengaluru Airport, Delhi IGI Airport, Hyderabad Airport, Mumbai Airport. And the right answer is. Which app became voluntary instead of mandatory after government reversal? Sanchar Sathi, Arogya Setu, DigiLocker, Kovan. And the right answer is. India achieved which position in the 2025 Asia Power Index? Third, second, fourth, first. And the right answer is. India was re-elected to the executive board of which UN body? UNESCO, UNICEF, WHO, UNEP. And the right answer is. The BrahMos missile test on December 1, 2025 showcased improvement in upgraded guidance accuracy, underwater launch capability, fuel efficiency, missile size reduction. And the right answer is. INS Aridhaman, soon to be inducted, is India's third nuclear submarine, India's first aircraft carrier, India's new destroyer, India's largest patrol vessel. And the right answer is. President Vladimir Putin arrived in India for which major event starting December 4, 2025? BRICS Summit, 23rd India-Russia Annual Summit, G20 Leaders Meeting, SCORE Defense Ministers Meet. And the right answer is. India's new seismic map places the Himalayas in which zone? Zone IV, Zone 2, Zone V, Zone 3. And the right answer is Hansa 3 NG, recently launched by India, is an passenger aircraft, trainer aircraft, cargo aircraft, fighter aircraft. And the right answer is Which species was rediscovered in India after 72 years? Golden langur, bamboo shrimp, pink-headed duck, red panda. And the right answer is DRDO's fighter jet escape system test confirmed. New radar technology, safe crew ejection and canopy separation, faster missile launch, longer aircraft endurance. And the right answer is Netflix's deal for Warner Bros. Discovery gives it control of which entertainment brands? HBO Max, DC Comics, and Harry Potter. Paramount and Nickelodeon, Marvel and Pixar, Universal and DreamWorks. And the right answer is Sunil Narayan's T20 milestone highlights what? His long career and bowling skill, a comeback from injury, his switch to batting, a drop in performance. And the right answer is Exercise Harimau Shakti between India and Malaysia focuses on counter-terror training, naval operations, air combat drills, cybersecurity training. And the right answer is IFFCO TOKIO's 25th anniversary initiative supports which national goal? Digital payments expansion, rural banking reform, insurance for all by 2047, crop loan waiver. And the right answer is Robin Smith, who recently passed away, was known for fast bowling, wicket-keeping, spin bowling, his stylish batting. And the right answer is